In this video, I will show you how to report an Alipay user. Let me show you how. Open up your Alipay app. Then go ahead and click on message right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and select a particular contact that you want to report. So for that, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on this contact right here. As an example, after you open up your chat with the contact, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this three dots from top. Then scroll down right here. And then go ahead and simply click on reports. And now here you go. So you have different options that you can use as a report here. If this person here is using AI content to disturb you, select these options for the AI generated content and then go ahead and click on next. Then follow the prompt. If it is a case of fraud or scam behavior, go ahead and select these options, which is fraud or scam behavior. Then go ahead and click on next and fill out your report right here. Make sure your claim is certain and genuine. Okay, if that is not what you are looking for, you can as well translate this and check out what Alipay have right here. So just like so, the other party engaged in improper debt collection practice. You can select on that if that is related to your case. Whichever way, these are all available cases that you can report an individual that misconduct or contraband or that misconduct or fall in any of these category right here. Select anyone that related to your case and then go ahead and click on next and fill up the proper report statement. And you are done. With that, Alipay customer support is going to get to you within 24 hours of submitting your report. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.